Welcome people to today's video, and today is Christmas, so I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Today I will be talking about Bitcoin, Cardano, Sand, Philips, Vechain and Ethereum. Also the question, Bitcoin is struggling around 17,000 K at this current time. How will it be next year? Will we be able to go to the 120,000? Yes or no? You will find it out in this video. Let me start charting Bitcoin, and we are at the weekly chart. I will make the lines invisible for now. How was this week? We had a small green week. Still not much volume, and that is also due to the holiday. Yeah, so we are ranging still. From the weekly I will change to the daily, and I will make last week's chart visible. Small candles the last few days. Since last week we did something. We had a small momentum. Yeah, last week's I drawn in the scenarios, and for now one of them played out. We managed to hold high around 16,000. Yeah, between 300, 300, above 16,300. So if you, let me see, did we stopped out, yes or no? No, still within 1%, so you could have played it, and that will be a profit of 3.6%. You can, if you are still in the trade, you can move your stop loss under here, under the 16,540. I don't expect a second test. If we go low, then we will go lower. So this one play out. I will remove my drawing from last week. This one, yes, it's still possible, still valid. This one is also still valid. And this one is also still valid. If we break down, if we break below this white line, the 16,170 area, then it will be a possibility for a short area. I will add one new scenario. Yeah, this one is tested, so yeah. Either we go first up here and have a rejection, go back to the start of the impulse, or we go down here to the start of the impulse we had before here, and then try to go up. If we lose this range, the 16,170 area, then you can enter for a short, re-enter for a short after the loss. And if we gain the last stop here, then we can try to find a new entry after the gain. So that is Bitcoin for today. I will come back to Bitcoin and see what will happen next year. That will be discussed later. For now, I will switch to Cardano. What is this? Oh. Okay, this is one of the scenarios I've drawn in on my Twitter, probably somewhere in October, and it played out. It played out. Okay, I will remove the drawings and start all over. Momentum is downwards. So I will start at the weekly chart. From the weekly to the daily. Let's see what we can find in history. Phew. That is not looking good. Okay. Okay, we have a small gain on the 4-hour chart, but also rejection from the daily. Yeah, a risky one. An entry on the 24.9 cents and try to break 26 cent, but that's very risky one. High chance that we will see lower, so it will also be an opportunity for a short entry and a high chance that we will see the 16.8 cent area. You might also expect a bounce a little higher, so here that is around 19 cent, but the strongest support is at 16.8 cents. If we somehow manage to gain the range, then here we have an opportunity to re-enter on the pullback after the gain at 26.3 cents for a retest of the 30 cent area. But for now it's not looking very strong, so a high chance that we will see lower, somewhere between 16 and 19 cents. So either you will use this as a short opportunity after the loss, or you wait for a long here, and that's Cardano. From Cardano we will go to Sandbox. Sandbox. We are now at the weekly chart. Almost 95% down from the all-time high. Okay, I will draw in some levels. From the weekly I will change to the daily. Momentum is downwards. Also not looking very strong. It will be kind of the same story as we had with Cardano. So either we will test the 34 cent area and try to push from there, or we go all the way to 14.6 cent, strong support area, and try to test the 34 cent area. There's a huge gap, so still more than 50% down if you will enter on the 14.6 cent area. On the other hand, if you manage to gain somehow, then you can enter on the pullback. But for now, there is no upwards construction visible. So hands off. I prefer either play the 34 cent or play the 14.6 cent. It's not looking strong at this moment. From cent, we will go to Philips. Philips it looked like a shitty altcoin. Also, from the top, 76% down. Let me change to the monthly. They had some problems with their machines. I think they're sleeping machines or whatever. But for now, we are at the all-time lows area, so might be interesting to enter. We haven't been here since 2011 and earlier. That's more than 10 years ago. So let's draw some levels. I hope everyone had a nice week this week, and also a nice meal, and hopefully you're enjoying this evening with your family. For here, the weather is better than last week, not so cold anymore. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Try to hold support here. And test it again. I'll change to the daily. Okay, either we have a rejection and we go all the way down to just below $11 and try to reclaim this area. Or we continue to move upwards and an aggressive entry on the $13. Try to break the $14 area. Or we gain this whole area and then we can try to find a re-entry around $14 for try to break above the 15.4 area. Let's measure it. The most defensive one will be more than 16%. The aggressive one 7, and the one after the gain also 9 for now, but still a long way upwards. So yeah, some nice opportunity here, I think. You also can decide to buy some here and buy more if it goes lower. That was Philips for today. From Philips we will change to Vechain. Okay. This is probably also an old post of me from Twitter. And let me check it. Yeah, somewhere half October. Yeah, this one played out, so people could have entered the short here. How much was it? 5.7%. Nice. This one played out as well. Yeah, you can see the gain here and the re-entry as drawn here at the 24 cent. How much is that? So congrats for those who have seen my post on Twitter. You could have had more than 16% profit. And here was the rejection. Okay, I will remove all those drawings and start over for now. Vechain, its all-time high was 28.4%, and that is also more than 94% down from the all-time high. Okay, let's see what we can find. I will draw in some levels. Okay. It has on the 4-hour chart. By the way, it's not looking very strong. Downwards momentum, a lot of red candles. If I change to the 4-hour chart, then I see low and higher low and a possible another higher low. I see an high, but not a higher high. I see that we gain the last drop-off point to this low. So there might be some upwards momentum for now. Either a test of the 1.67 cents and then see if we can maintain the upwards momentum. or if we gain this area, the 1.69 cent, then we can re-enter here to try to break the 1.79 cent area. And if we fail, then we will go all the way down to the 1.05 cent area and try to push from there. Yeah, that's it for Vechain. And from Vechain we will go to Ethereum. I will make the lines invisible for now. A green week for Ethereum. Okay, let's go to the daily. Also not a lot of volume the last days. Yeah, we are ranging. From the daily I will change to the 4 hour and also make the lines visible. So what happened? We held support here. Okay, I will remove this one. The rejection here, or either the high or low play. How much is it? Also 3%. Nice. This one, okay. Didn't play out. Okay, for now we held this low here 2 times. This brought us all the way up here above 1340 area. This is tested here. So what can we expect from now? Either a test here and try to break. This level is important. It was the drop off with those huge candles which brought us all the way to 1160 area. If we manage to gain the last drop off point, then we can re-enter and try to break this high. And if we fail, now this is already tested, so then it's not looking good. If we fail, I expect us to go all the way down to the 1074 or either lower. Yeah, that's it for the coming days for Ethereum. And from Ethereum, I want to look back at the chart from Bitcoin and start at the monthly and see where we were at last year. This time, last year this time we were around 50,000, 51,000. And will we be able to be at 120,000 next year? Yes or no? Who knows? I will start at the monthly. Momentum is still downwards. So what needs to be done? Either we will hold support here, regain the area, to test here. Or we do it, we will support around 9,300 area and try to climb up from there. If we manage to reclaim this yellow area, and that's the area above 35,000 and 61,000, between 35,000 and 61,000, if we manage to reclaim this area, then we can think about the 120,000. And for now, it is still a long way to go. I think it's possible, yes, I think so. But a long way to go, as we will see here. And now, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I will see you guys next week, next Sunday. I think it's the 1st of January then. And I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button if you like this content. Also follow me on Twitter if you like. You can find it in the description down below. Thank you guys, have a nice Christmas and see you all next year. Cheers, bye bye.